Alright, so we're going to talk about a few of the anatomy components that contribute to the problems that we see. One, if the trap is tight, that first rib is being protected, we're pulling the shoulder up and in, which limits our overhead ability. Two, the chest, the interior portion of the shoulder, pulls the chest and shoulder across, nice and tight, a little bit of a guarding mechanism. And number three that we're going to work on today is the subscap, which is one of our four rotator cuff muscles. Pulls that humeral head down and forward, which contributes to a few of the other problems that we see. So we'll take you through a few movements and exercise demos that we can open up that tissue and improve our quality of movement.
Yep.
So first we'll just show a few of the tools that we use to improve soft tissue. One being the foam roller. This is a good starting spot. It's dense, but it's also soft enough to allow us to relax and melt, if you will, over that tool. If this is not getting the job done, we can utilize something a little more dense and hard, like a PVC pipe, a softball, or a lacrosse ball. All right, so we're gonna start with the subscap and the smashing of that muscle. Positioning, it's kind of on the lateral border of that armpit, right underneath. We can use the terminology tack and floss. All right, we can roll up and down slightly, but we really want to find that hot spot. Hang out on that, relax, breathe through this, and again, picture your body melting over the tool that you're utilizing. When we're doing this, we're rolling back and forth. As it opens up, we can reach out a little bit further and then start to work our way through working more into that overhead position, or mimicking that overhead position as opposed to being where we started. All right, another position we can move into utilizing the softball. If this was not working for you and not hitting exactly what we need, we can extend or drop that arm out to the side. Utilize the opposite hand to press our body weight up and into that ball as we're reaching out. Almost a stretch and smash. Clang and bang, baby. Be the same position. We're just going to work internal rotation of that shoulder, trying to go palm up, getting our back of our hand onto our small of our back and dropping that elbow down. Again, we're trying to relax and let this tissue open up. We're not trying to force more and more weight on. Over, utilizes a lacrosse bow, easy to pack, so if you're traveling, you can always use it up against the rig, or as we're demonstrating here, using the door jamb. We're going to place the lacrosse ball up here in that first rib, so if you can touch, there's a socket right here between your collarbone and neck. If we can go maybe 2 or 3 fingers behind that, you'll feel that muscle right there that oftentimes tenses up from all of our shrugging motions, especially for forward in that shoulder when we haven't been set in the proper position. So placing it here, offset the feet or stagger the feet. Place it in a nice little groove here so it doesn't slip out on you. And we're driving pressure right into that, not behind. Relaxing that shoulder. All right, and lastly, priority, right? Prioritizing this in our workout definitely helps movement quality. We want movement quality to stave off injury. We want movement prep for movement quality. So doing this pre and post workouts does have benefits. Doing post workout, I would wait several hours, right? Your central nervous system is excited after an intense bout of exercise. So allowing your CNS to settle down will definitely help a few hours post as well. Thanks guys, enjoy.